Yeah, this is Rhonda right now, and the man himself, the man we call Soldier. This man is the Herbal Soldier. And basically, for the nation, we need healing. This session of discussion is going to talk about different herbs that the king know, you see. And this man know a lot of herbs. Your grandmother, he told me, how old was she when she died?
104, yeah.
104. So now your grandmother grew you. How long your grandmother grew you?
Yeah, 14 years, you know.
And she take your bush and everything and teach you?
Yeah, man.
Let's get right into it. The top herb what you love the most, is it marijuana or chickenweed?
Marijuana must be the first, man. But this chicken weed is just for purging the blood, you know.
So now the marijuana, is it
It's a smoking medicine, it's a food medicine, it's a healing medicine.
is there anything special you prepared anywhere when you drink it for tea? How long you keep it in the pot or anything that...
Yeah, man, you can soak the marijuana, man, with rum, man. Little garlic, man, little pimento seed. And you have it for any pain in the belly, man. You take a mud spoonful, have it preserved for years. Yeah, man.
Okay. And otherwise, when you smoke it, or people smoke it, is it a good idea to always inhale? Because sometimes it look like the rest of them I meet one time, them say, no man, I smoke for years, and keep in their mouth, and them, you know what I say, so it don't damage them lungs. What you know about anything about that? Because enough man damage them lungs and they don't know.
Yeah.
So them might damage themselves.
Yeah, them smoke too much and them take no herbal bush for ease off that whole heap of smoke go up on the lungs.
So get to the chickenweed. I meet a lady herbalist 10 years ago or so. She talked about the donkey weed, the 5-1 she brought for the cancer. Donkey weed, chicken weed. 5 of them she did put together.
Right.
To make it, to get rid of the thing. More you touch also upon one of my favorite bushes, you know, the little round thing, green. Susumba are my favorite.
Okay, yeah man, a good bush man, a billiards bush, you take that, it's like, it seems like the other bush we talk about first there, you know? But it's a good bush, it's a medicine. If you have bad cold, you can just squeeze it up and take a spoonful of the juice immediately.
Susumba?
Yeah man, you can hold it up in your nose too man, good for your sinus.
How you do that?
You squeeze it up man till the top get juicy man. And you just haul up some in your nose man, good for your sinus. And it's good for clear your stomach too. All man smoke, good take a spoonful of it, you know.
So the chicken with the blood, just to purge it.
Yeah man, you get them dry first. All the rest are 3 days after a full moon or 3 days before the full moon, you know.
Yeah.
You pick them bush there and make them dry and nice up. So it's not good for you use them green, you know.
And why is that? Some you use green, some you use dry.
Yeah, it depends. Like emergency you use them green, but majority of the bush them for heal up dry like, you know. Yeah man, better for you, you know? Better for the kidney, you know.
Oh, for the kidney?
Yeah, man.
You know, impact the kidney.
Right.
Okay. So soursop leaf, you know, the nerve thing.
Yeah, soursop leaf, man, a good something, man.
And the soursop itself is good for cancer.
Young soursop, you blend it up, you know. Have
the
it
young one?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so this is what I tell people, say, when you get the pumpkin for the heart, don't try to use everything to fit. Keep it medium.
Yeah, man, the young, you get more stuff out of it when you're young, you know.
Okay. So we're on the right track here. Soursop weed. Now, the aloe vera, what's special for you about that? Can we blend the skin to it?
It's a powerful man, that, you know, man. Yeah, man, a powerful man, that, man. You can use that lotion, shampoo, medical, anything you have inside of you, you wash it out, you get appetite. If you don't eat, you start eating a thing to eat 2 pieces of that. Yeah, man, clean you up, man. Right away, man, your skin get, if you start eat it every morning, a mouthful, your skin got change up on you, man. You start get clear. Complexion look different, you know, natural, cool, you know.
And
Yeah, man.
the cercity, the cerci.
Yeah, man, thirsty tea, man, make your blood thinner, you know, and keep you purging, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Your appetite, you know. Yeah, man. Always use them dry, you know.
Which one are your favorite? Dandelion.
Yeah, man, good for your kidney, man. Flush your system.
Okay, okay.
You used to love urine a lot. Yeah, man, make your urine less, man, and when you do urine, you well clean up, you know.
So for man them, the mixture what you use for the man them strength, you don't talk about like what are some of the mixtures you blend up for the man them strength. I talk about stuff like you know, like Irish moss and okra and oats and plantain, right? Plantain and I with
Yeah,
probably a
man.
little dragon. What is your thing?
We have Jamaican roots, so we boil up, man.
The roots.
Yeah, man.
Chain.
Chain roots, you know.
Okay.
All type of different bush with it mix. Yeah, man, and we have a different boost, you know. Yeah,
And
man.
that help the system.
Yeah, man, a different boost that to the system. You know, but first you have to get the system flush with the bitters first, you know. Before you can take tonic. You can't take tonic and the system no boost up, you know, wash out properly, you know.
Okay, so
Yeah.
the tonic can really
man.
set in.
You take your tonic, man, and then you take your dandelion and flush it. You flush both. You have to flush your urine and you have to flush your intestine same time, you know. You can't just flush one, you know. Flush two of them same time.
So like a man like me will come down here now. From my system and flush out, I have some tablets, 7-day cleanse from a herbalism, I'm a wicked herbalist. Angela Burke, mynativeanswers.com. Want to check that out. Angela Burke, mynativeanswers.com. She had the wickedest in Jamaica. She helped to heal a lot of things from people. Now, for your grandmother, any external sores or any, what would she put on it? Coming out, so somebody, when you crush it, it have a green thing then when they rub at the cut and they rub on them face. That's why susuma one of my favorite because it's a healing antifungal thing.
Yeah.
Anything your grandmother used to put on outside skin.
Yeah, man, you have cut, man, you guaco wash off, man. Wash off the guaco, you know, make it wash off it, you know, bleedish look, like you want bleed. Yeah, man, get off all them crust, man. And grandma put on some cocoa and curse knife on it. If I say it's a bad cut, you know, entire curse knife and cocoa on it, young cocoa, scrape young cocoa and put it on it, tie it up.
Young cocoa.
By morning, one that heal up, man.
Yes,
It depends on the type still, you know. If a bad wound or bleed, you know, you have to scrape a young banana and put on a stain on it. If it stop bleed, you know. Easily, man. If you out a bleed, you just scrape a young banana and put it on it. It just stop bleed immediately.
For women wash out, what do you recommend?
Yeah, man, you have some smaller bush in the hills there. Yeah. The name can like a little bit better for me, but we know it's still from the seed, you know. Yeah, man. Bitters bush, you know.
For like headache, she ever give you nothing for headache?
Yeah, man, the Guinea Hen, man.
Guinea Hen Weed.
Yeah, man, the Guinea Hen Weed, all up the root tight and smelly, you know. Yeah, man.
The root?
Yeah.
You can cut it up or crush it?
Yeah, man, crush it up. It depends on how you do it. You know. Nice when you do it 3 days full moon or 3 days after full moon, you know.
Why 3 days after the full moon?
Because you deal with the earth. It's an earthly matter, you know. So if you deal with the earthly matter problem, you know, it work properly, you know. Okay. But my Rasta friend can give you a more level of advice about it, you know. Yeah.
Okay. So the soursop leaf and the chickenweed just to purge the blood and thing. Anything for spraying, like your foot spraying or anything them give for spraying foot like that?
Yeah, man, the foot spraying, man, we use custard apple leaf, man, and vinegar, man. Beat up the custard apple leaf and put on the vinegar warm on it, hold it on it with a cloth and tie it on it.
Talk about your castor oil process and what is it good for?
Yeah, man, good for your skin, man. Make your skin moist, just like the thing in the Bible. Moist up your
So you
skin.
have none with you, you can give me some.
No, we don't have none. We have to see them ready enough to boil, but if we don't want 8 pounds to boil, we don't know castor oil, because that's a little two flasks it all come to. But we have 5 and 16 pound of the seed, so we can get 2 big buckle, and a little left over,
Okay. And no. Who normally pick it for you and where you get it?
Yeah, me plant it round my surrounding that make a house pattern. When me see it grow well, you pick a one piece. When you have seed on it and it's ready, carry it home, dry it.
Anything can be done green? Anything can be...
No. You have to dry it first. It will have frost seed. You have to make the seed them well mature first.
So people have high blood pressure, what you do that?
Yeah, man, give them high blood pressure, man. Give them cucumber juice and garlic, Cool them down, Natural earth
Cool.
food.
Yeah, that's what I tell people. Cucumber, the cooler.
Yeah, man.
And put some ginger in there too, maybe.
It depends on the person's stomach, because some person's stomach irritates easily,
Yeah,
and ginger is very harsh, Yeah, man, coconut water and lime carry it down very nicely too, the young one,
Coconut water, young
Yeah,
coconut.
man, young
With the high
coconut
blood
water.
pressure.
Yeah, man, put all 3 lime in it, man, and cool on yourself, man. But you always have a pressure tester.
Yeah.
So if you drink too much of them something there, you carry it down too far, So you have to test it when you drink them something there.
Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. So how old are you?
I'm 47 years old,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
And in the morning what you drink for tea, right?
Yeah, man, depends on the vibes hold me,
Mm-hmm.
But more want mint tea, get a vibes, But more want lime leaf tea.
Lime leaf tea.
Yeah. Depends on what I want, man. The vibes, More noni tea, 3 noni leaf. I want some Aloe Vera tea. Depends on what I want,
So talk about the nuni bush. What they max the power of
Yeah, man, it's a multi-bush that, Yeah, man, the multi-bush, when you have a fruit, a different process again, so, you clean up everything, man, cancer, everything, your nature same way, everything.
So it's good for soak it and
Yeah,
make it
man, when you pick the ripe one, man, I put it in a bucket. Up in the night time for the Joe fall in night, lock it down at daytime, make it sweat.
Yeah.
Anything you get out of that, man, it's a powerful juice. Yeah, man.
Anything with cocoa leaf.
And cocoa leaf?
A banana leaf them tie with the pudding.
Yeah, man, when you make blue jars, so you do with that, tie up
Yeah.
that time, you get a nice menu, I put it in a plastic bag, it tastes like how you put it in it. No, water. I drink no for it.
Okay. Yeah, man. So we have a good discussion, because when we go back into the hills, we need to know these things.
Yeah, man, you have to find them and have them.
The plant and shoot, and the papa, and the trumpet leaf. What really excites you about the trumpet leaf or papa itself? I'm going to blend it with the seed, the skin, everything.
The trumpet leaf you talk about the papa, or when the papa leaf you talk?
Or just the papa and the leaf.
The papa leaf, we use differently, the leaf you can cure coal and them something there. Yeah, your teeth swell up.
The teeth swell up?
If your teeth swell up, you have gum bile, you can use the stain of the papa and make it force ripe,
The stain of the papa?
Yeah, man, rub it on it and haul it down,
Oh, really?
Yeah, man, make it burst instantly,
Well, I said to you. So there's some trees with saps and things like a stain thing. Any of them you recommend that is good, like, you grew up, you see the tree them have bleed, right?
Yeah, the cedar tree, it have a lot of glue, If we go shop go buy no glue, so we have to do schoolwork. Yeah, we just get some glue off of the tree and just go boil it, or hot it up. And it's good again, man, you're ready to make any amount of paper can paste up on anyway.
So there's a tree when you cut it, start bleeding.
Yeah, a breadfruit tree.
A breadfruit tree.
Yeah, man.
That sap
And you have fig too. All different tree bleed, depends on what you want it for. Yeah.
So what you can put that in our cut maybe? The white thing, what that good for? It must good for something where you can use it for the body.
Well, we never really use none of them staying differently, you know.
Okay, okay. Okay, so you say the papa leaf.
Yeah, when it is green
When
and
it's
you break
green,
it, you see it bleed, that little milky juice.
you
Yeah,
rub
man.
it in your mouth, you
You
take
rub
the
it on
gum
the,
thing
yeah,
down.
man, rub it on the gum will swell up.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it kind of burst the abscess or what inside the fast.
So people with bad breath, what would you recommend?
Yeah, we use fever grass, you know.
Fever grass or bad breath?
Yeah, man, use the root of the fever grass and make tea or chai it up every minute, you know.
You just keep chewing the root of the
Yeah,
fever
man.
grass?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
But some people not going to want to do it because it kind of look a bit dirty, like, and, you know, the root process and the mud and something, so people want it to boil mostly, you know. But really, that's man, you haul it up and wash it off like a cane, man, and chai it up. Yeah, man, keep your stomach fresh, you know.
Oh, minty. Can be the mint with our work too. Root.
Yeah, man.
Listen to me. You know, I know, wow. My mother always talk about dandelion bush.
Dandelion is something we grow with seed. So, mankind use the seed for tea, and the root can boil tea same way, because it's a stamina thing. Yeah, man. But I'll tell you about the seed now. You have to get the seed. When the seed well ripe, you get it picked, and you get it dry, and you parch it, and you beat it, get it powdery, like a coffee. Yeah, man, make a good tea, man. But I'm tell you, something to feed upon it. Just once a time you deal with it, you know.
If somebody want to talk to you, what am I going to do? I'm going to make them, I'm going to talk to them first, and I'm going to make them send a thing to open up the gate, and then I'm going to release them to you or send the thing to you.
Yeah, man.
Because a lot of people, they want more information, and you're surprised. Everybody learn from them grandmother differently. You see me? And the world out of Jamaica right now, everybody have got natural. The green banana, we cook in a soup, we cook and drink the green banana water. When you cook, like even your potato and thing, what potato you like? The red one, there's a special one with powerful, there's a special leaf, you know, and even the potato leaf. My mother deal with that too.
Yeah, well, you know, when we look at boy, we know that we don't have to trouble to eat sweet potato. Because you have to peel it properly. You have something where, let me say, you mash them in nature, you know.
You
You
much
have
from
to,
the nature of the man.
yeah, you have to peel it properly, you know. Put it in a pot, you know.
Oh, what else?
It's nice to make pudding and them things still, you know.
But you have to peel it properly.
Yeah, man, peel it. Yeah, man, we hold it down, you know. Slow it up, you know.
Okay.
That we hear, you know, too. But we hear them think that mankind to study that we habit, we use it. But it's nice, man, nice food. Yeah, man.
The moringa. What do you think about that?
Number one, man, cut down the sugar out of you, man. Yeah. If you have sugar in you, man, you cut it down fine, man, fling it away, man. We have just know, say, you have to look at sugar in you. You can't make your sugar go down past 5 and them something there. Past 5, go down, you shut you off. You have to have sugar in your body to keep your energy going. But the moringa is a good something, man. Whereas if you can see it and eat it raw, take out the juice out of it. Yeah, man, blend it up good, man. Number one. Yeah,
so if you could blend something on a daily basis, what is it that you would blend to drink to keep your system going? A balanced blend of either fruits and herbs, or what would you recommend? Or you do one for daily and one for weekly and one for monthly, whether it be a tea. So first we're going to deal with the daily. What's something you would consume daily?
Yeah, man, daily, man, you have to drink your natural juice daily, you know. Yeah, man, you have to have lots of vitamins, you know.
Yeah.
Good for you, your melon and your orange, and you know, if you're sour sap, you know, good for drink and blend up and have in a fridge that cool, you know. Yeah, man. Nice with lime, you know. Sour sap and lime, you know. Yeah, man, honey, sweet neat if you have honey, nice. Yeah.
So no, that's a daily blend.
Yeah, man, if you have them in something, man, them in something you want when the sun hot, man.
Okay.
Ginger and your bugle lemon.
Lime and some little
Yeah,
garlic
man.
in it too.
With wet sugar at the time, you know. But it depends on how your sugar level stay, you know, 'cause you can't follow up too much of sugar, you know. But nice with lemon, you know, with wet sugar.
Wet
The
sugar.
Jamaican wet sugar, you know, homemade sugar, you know. Yeah.
No, on a weekly basis for a clean out, is it the Cersei and the Chicalweed?
Yeah, man, a weekly
Tea.
business, them, no, man. You know, yeah, man, a weekly business that you drink, yeah.
Weekly, because the Cersei bush can thin the blood too thin.
Yeah, too thin, you know, so you know, follow it up, you know.
Yeah. The Chicalweed donkey, you know about the donkey?
Yeah, man, donkey with a good cold bush same way, man. It gives stamina and it take out cold out of your same way, you know. Using a road same way when you boil roots, you know. Because you don't know, you have tonic roots and you have wash out roots, you know.
Oh, two different ones.
Yeah. Depends on what type of roots you want. If you want tonic roots or you want wash out roots. Yeah. Your roots are built and your roots are clean, you know.
Yeah.
It depends on which one I build.
Wicked. Wow. So anybody have like high blood pressure, diabetes or anything that you help to treat them to get it a little bit under management?
Yeah, man, I tell you, say, my sugar got at least 500 already, you know. Yeah, and some people sugar got 200 and them dead. Because them pressure will rise with it. That burst up every vessel in your head, so you have to know what you're doing, you know. So you have to feed up and hold up a juice like all and great cinnamon leaf, you know. Drink your tea regular, you know. Yeah, man, you get them, boil them dry and green, and first you get it green, then you go and make it dry, you buy a portion and have it. The more bigger bung you boil, make 2 cups of tea better for your system, you know. Have it to drink every day, mouthful. Yeah, man, every time you pee, man, you pass out a lot of sugar out of you, you know. Cut down all of them, something and build up your insulin in you, you know. Yeah, man.
The cinnamon leaf.
Yeah, man, powerful something, man. I tell you, the meringue mad and hit. Yeah.
So the meringue dry?
Yeah, man, you eat it green, man. You pick it.
Eat it?
Yeah, man, or you blend it up, man. You pick who can eat it, get the leaf and blend it up, strain it. Add it, if you add the orange juice or you add cherry with it or what, natural calcium. Yeah, man.
So give thanks, and really appreciate it. So you said your thing was 500 and the sugar.
Yeah, man, but if I go to a doctor, when the doctor start give me a type of medication, give me one a meat farm and some other different type of pill. And damn sugar not moving, man. The stick, finds a herb naturally can move it fast, man.
And then who gave you that recommendation?
Yeah, the old Rasta man give me them, you know. Yeah, man, and for me start, them taste good, you know, but you know, if you want help, you have to help yourself with that, you know.
And cinnamon, even the stick too.
Yeah, man, everybody, anything in the cinnamon, man. Chip or anything you can use.
My favorite smell, pimento.
Yeah, man, big spice, top spice, man.
So you can't use for nothing?
Yeah, man, I tell you, man, a good medication, man.
Even the pimento leaf,
Any part of it, man. Crush it up, put it in your meat, man. Make your meat come out nice when you cook it down, man. I put it in a soup, you put it in a tea. Yeah, man, put it in a rum, with soak. Same way, I tell you, man, you're good for medication, man. Top medication.
What you use for wash the eyes, to get the eyes, cataracts and them things there. You know, sir.
And the ganja leaf, you green ganja leaf, you grind up and squeeze night. But you know, them have all type of different medication and heat, you know. Yeah, man. But it's good to eat the carrot raw, you know.
The carrot raw?
Yeah, man, good for your eye. You blend it raw without the water, because the water them nowadays have in the chemical them in it.
Yeah.
Like chlorine and so it's not good.
Yeah. So it's best to have the distilled water?
Yeah, man, you just extract it, make it natural juice out of it. And you drink that every day. Make your eyeball come back, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. You have a thing in Chinese time. Good same way, man.
Chinese time?
Yeah, man. Blend it up same way, man, and get the juice out of it.
Chinese time?
Yeah, man. Or same. I couldn't tell you again the bush. The bush is kind of funny name.
So this Rasta man, does he live around here?
Yeah, so the Rasta man pass off now.
Yeah, how old was he?
Yeah, man, he passed off in 60 odd, man. He passed off, man. Yeah, man, powerful man.
Him help you a lot.
Yeah, man, showed me work for bush, man. Work for bush, man. Yeah, man.
So
spinach. Spinach is good for the eye. Yeah, man, the spinach bush.
Yeah.
Vegetable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 1 and 2 people have it, man. Few people have spinach.
Okay.
Only in a cartoon you see it. Why papaya eats more spinach. You don't know it's a powerful bush. Yeah, man. Powerful, very powerful bush.
An orange, just simple orange peel. You know them make it for tea. Why them put it in the tea?
Yeah, it's a rhyme, you know. You talk about, you get a blend, it's a little spice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Good for you, man. It's a little spice. Cold, counteract cold and them things, and headache and them something. You know.
Wow, garlic is a monster for the
Pressure, you know.
pressure.
Yeah, man.
Onion, a man up at the States him do some tonic and him say to fight the cancer. Fame remedy is feed the body from carrots for a whole. I mean, him said literally him boil the carrots. Not boil it. Him juice it with the trash, with the onion and celery and beets. So him say the carrot now, what it do?
Beets are the sugar thing, right?
Or the sugar
Sweet. Beets,
Mm-hmm.
right, round something.
a sugar thing
Yeah,
with the skin. So in boil the carrot and the carrot start reconstruct the cut, the wound, the tumor, and start reconstruct the actual insides like a flesh food. You see me? And the onion in blend with it too. But him say if you feed the body pan carrot, it's a poison, so it will literally kill the cancer. We're not talking about no water, you know. We're not talking about no food. Him said when you eat the beets create the body for the food.
Right.
The beets can feed the body.
Yeah, because natural energy that.
And a celery, and then the onion, and then whole heap of carrot juice. So him say when you get up in the morning, you drink the carrot. You blend 2 glasses of your work. And then when you feel hungry again, you blend like 8 glasses of carrot juice.
Yeah, man, the straight.
Every day, you know.
Yeah,
for
feed cancer.
3, 4 months, you know.
For the cancer.
Yes.
Just to
Not even
murder,
water,
no
you know.
water, just to murder
You can
cancer.
just use distilled water. So when I say literally, you set the body now on way. When the cell and the parasite them look left, them look right.
Right, just that.
All them are get is poison.
Yeah.
It's carrot is like a natural key.
Yeah, man, a powerful something, man, but we not use it the right way.
Yes. So he must say to me, I never know this. It's easy. But the only thing you have to do is to be disciplined.
You have to deal with it 24/7.
Discipline.
You have to depend on it.
It's like you put yourself on a carrot drip. And you see when the body done, man. No,
Yeah, flush itself, man.
nothing ever
Flush
come
itself,
back
man.
into that.
Yeah, man, flush itself, man.
So even what he says for people to fast every month is to just, if you want to fast 7 days, just go on a carrot fast.
Fast.
And a beet fast. And celery. And you know why I use the celery? That's to calm down the thing. Pause. And then him say onion. You know why? You know,
Yeah, man, onion good, man. Yeah, man, onion powerful, man. Where is it? Move it. One side of a piece of the pasta.
Okay. Alright, so you're done now?
You move it already?
Yeah, man. Look at the vibe. So, how much you smoke? For how many years?
I'm a company, you know. It's not a good thing for a man still, you know, but I better drink your tea, you know. But because it's a habit where you smoke straight, you smoke, you know. So if you know, say you're a regular smoker, you have such a system. It's a thing named Leaf and Life. You have to bite it up, chew it out, suck out the juice out of it.
Yeah.
Flush out the lumps. Because the smoke go down there, stop up in the lumps and black up it down there. So if you don't flush it out down there is a problem. But most people don't know about that part there, you know. The Leaf and Life are one powerful something. When your lumps go work on it. You know? You know Leaf and Life?
Yeah, man. It green.
Go anywhere go grow.
Yeah, man. Always the panel. Anywhere you look, you see it. Some of them growing a stone, you know.
You love stony ear, man.
Yeah. So, which one are your favorite parish for certain bush? Certain bush are going on Manchester.
No,
right?
every parish have a different bush. You know.
Yeah, and what is a unique bush that you can only find in a certain place?
Yeah, man, you have like you have some hope of different bush. You know. Hope of different bush. They're Clarendon, they're St. Thomas, different. They're Portland, you know, they're Westmoreland. The name them very call the name them, you know, they're in my head, but we carry them out, you know. But hope of different bush go every parish, man. Yeah.
Mango.
Mango is a good thing, you know, cause
Mango leaf?
the mango leaf, the good for sugar. Yeah, man, they cut them the sugar same way, you know. The skin good to blend up with the fruit same way. Fight against the sugar.
Yeah.
You don't have to use no sugar. If the mango sweet already, you don't have to use no sugar again. You just use water.
Pineapple.
You know, pineapple good, so wash it off and blend off the skin. With the skin same way and blend it up. Just drop them in the blender and blend them up.
With
strain.
the skin.
With the skin. Yeah, man. Wash off your stomach. All them smoker, man. You wash off your stomach fast, man. Yeah. But smoking is just a man who have a habit where, you know, it's a nasty habit, but if you can't do without it, you better feel, you know. Yeah, man, make your lungs straight up, you know. Yeah, man, smoking come in like a rum drinking, you know. Yeah. But you don't have to drink the rum, you don't drink it, you know. Yeah.
If you don't have to drink it?
Yeah, you don't drink it. You just take a spoonful and good for you. Every month you take a spoonful, you know.
Rum.
Yeah, but most people think it's like a bag juice, you know. The bag juice drink.
It will kill you. It will cut up your
Yeah,
inside.
man, it mash you up, man, because it's strong, something 100% alcohol, so it's supposed to force down so much right inside of you.
Yeah.
But as a Jamaican stay, you know, eat the strongest meat and the strongest drink.
But a Rasta man said most of the blend my heel and put a tip of rum in it all the time. It helps to preserve the thing.
Preserve everything from spoil, you know.
So now let me talk to people about something called the herbal digestion. Sauerkraut, roots, tomato, and pickle. The same when you eat the meat, it helps the digestion. Anything that you recommend?
Man, when you always have pickle in your yard, you know. That kind of food in cook, you can get pickle.
And then put the pickle in
you make your own vinegar, the cane juice, you know.
With the cane juice?
Yeah, man, one vinegar, you know.
With the cane juice?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, said to me.
And put in all type of spice in it, in pimento leaf, in pepper, and carrot, in chocho, onion and garlic cut up in it, man. And that the pan for all 1 year, man. You take a spoonful of that and chop on your meat. Wow, spicy herb, man. You want to eat off everything, you know?
Cane juice.
Yeah,
cane
man,
juice?
natural, man, natural, yeah. We don't have to do nothing, man, if you go get no vinegar, man. We want natural cane juice, man. You set in the fire, in a warm matches. You set the fire around 6 weeks, man. It changes instantly. The sheet bubble up like a red stripe beer. And it start bubbling and you just stay there till you make natural juice. White vinegar. And man, smell nice.
The cane juice?
Yeah. We also put pepper in it a lot.
Where's it to be?
Yeah. Pimento seed, well crushed up in it. Oh, yeah, man. You want spice. The next time you come, I'll get one back line for you. You know,
Virgin, you're a message to you.
pattern alone you see, you don't want to pull it.
So the people that listen to this video, you know, let me tell you, because we know your work, and you work the night time.
Yeah, we work with a company, because we're not definite that for there at this spot where we there, where we meet. But the company we work, we rotate right around the island.
Oh.
So when you come in, you must find me in Westmoreland, you can find me at Portland, you can find me at St. Mary, you can find me at Mobile. But if you have the number, you're good for link, man.
Yeah, man, let me get the lights out. You know, the people that want to deal with you, man, because you said, what surprised me was the cane juice.
Yeah, man, cane juice is powerful something, man. Powerful, you know. Yeah, man.
Wow, so for pickled pepper, you can probably use the cane juice for the pickled pepper.
Yeah, man, that number one spice that, man. You don't want to use the other vinegar there, man. You want to use the cane juice vinegar. Directly to make for your vinegar.
So what do you make now? Like, so what are things you could make when people come, you can give it to them and say, well, this. So if they come down, then bring you 2 bills.
Yeah, man, we can give them a lot of things, man. A lot of things we can give them here, man. You only want to come and tell you, say, yeah, go back the next 3-4 days.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we can line up a lot of bush for you.
So
Sauce.
you're
Yeah, man.
going to do. I'm going to give you a bills, 100 US. Right?
What you need?
And my friend of the breast cancer, and she'll take chemo. So I need a lot of, I'm going to buy a suitcase, and I bring back a lot of sauce of leaf here, a lot of chicken weed, donkey weed. You see me, I go cleanse
Them have to dry now. You can't pass the airport unless them dry.
Yeah, man, so start drying. At the 31st October, man.
October?
Yeah, man.
Okay, so.
Start the drying. So, and if you, basically, you responsible give me a whole heap of bush for a suitcase.
Yeah, man, the bush, man.
I have
bush.
2 big bags, I just, you me
no
depend
problem,
on.
No problem on that, man. We get them, dry them and sort them out.
Sort them out for me. Dry it nicely the way you want.
Yeah, man, you have to dry, man, guys. If you don't dry it properly, you lock up in a bag, it's spoiled by the time you reach.
Yeah.
You know, smell good.
Yeah.
For mankind, taste.
Yeah. And even the susumba, anything you
Yeah,
think.
man, all the bush them, man, what me give you.
And then we label them.
I have them write down the label.
Label, get a piece of tape and label.
Tape, man, I white tape and write stuff, man. That's not a problem. You hear me now, them call me juggish in my ear. And because me use smoke too much weed, I use coke or heroin or what. But because I know the bush them, the grandma show me them. I said, this boy, you're amazing, boy.
Yeah.
You want some tamarind leaf tea, boy, and you want some tamarind leaf to bathe you. You put the sun in the water, put the water in the sun and make it warm up. Yeah, and you just get some green leaf and wash it up, tamarind leaf and wash it off in the water like you mash up the leaf, them, grind them up, make the water get green. Yeah, you use the leaf and everything and bathe yourself, man. And dry off yourself, don't dry off yourself, just make it dry on pan you. With the leaf them, everything they pan you see in the field. And dry on. And instantly your means will go away, man, you don't have to go to a doctor. But most people have to go to a doctor now because they don't know no medication. You have to run to go to a doctor every minute. Some simple little thing you line in a doctor hospital where you could easily stay home and look bored.
I'm going to put this in our video. I give $100 to get the herbs for me, and I expect my listeners to also come to Jamaica, link with you, tell you what they want, so then bring them suitcase back with a whole heap of different herbs.
Yeah, the herbs, man. If you don't have the herbs, you don't have no chance, you know?
No chance. So some people even have the HIV if you keep it at bay. My friend blend the blueberry, and she uses the honey and garlic, and if you keep the HIV down. A blueberry she used for the, not really for the HIV, but more for the Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's of the blueberry. You see me?
Yeah, okay.
What do you think about that?
We have the recipe for it, but I have to go back in the diary again because I write it down, but I have to go back for it because I tell me have a next Rasta brethren where have all them stuff, real stuff with the HIV and something. So I get the record again for you, you're nice. Yeah. But him talk about the soursop to blend the young soursop, you know. Yeah, man, good for the HIV business, you know. The cancer, you know.
Young soursop?
Yeah, man.
You can get young soursop for me?
Young soursop, no. People, Jamaican kind of very funny when they come on to soursop, you know. Them soursop have to really full up on the tree before they pick it, you know. Yeah, but compulsory is a health thing, and you know you need it directly, you know. You still have to pay the price sweet, you know.
So let me ask you, for suckers and things, you can get suckers and them things there?
What kind of suckers?
Like soursop suckers and all them.
Yeah, man, you got Rhonda, you get them, man. All of them.
Rhonda?
Rhonda is a government agriculture thing.
And where is that located?
Come on, in the town, man. In Sablamar town.
Sablamar?
Yeah.
It's a big one. Rhonda.
Yeah, man, it's a company like. sometimes your blood come, you can stop, because you have the pollution or the work vibes. So your blood come, you can stop. You know, so you have to know so your blood always on the right thin man.
It can cut up this side.
Yeah, it caught up and go straight on your head, go stuck.
My brain.
Go stuck up there.
So Cersei tea. So more you get me a lot of Cersei bush. Cersei bush. More you get me the Cersei, Chicalweed, donkey weed, if you can find, whatever you find. Pimento. You see me?
All the bush them, man, get them and dry them here, man.
Guava.
There's a whole heap of cold bush where people need to carry go foreign. Because you see the ice. The ice always in your head, you know. Because you are working on the ice area. So you have the tea, you know, to flush out the cold out of you. Every second you can catch cold. You know? Yeah. Every second. So, you know, the ice, the cold stay, you know, longer in you. So it's them bush that purge you out more, you know.
Yeah.
Anything like that for.
Okay.
The family.
Okay. So you said the ice and the cold with the cloth.
Yeah, man, you get a lot of cold, man. So
for your bones, your knees and stuff. What good for your knees, your bone? Your knees. What good for your knees? Like your bone, your joints.
yeah, man, I hope okra juice we drink for you them something there.
Okra juice?
Yeah, man. Tuna juice, you know.
Tuna juice, okra juice.
Yeah, man.
Anything with the grapefruit, that's special.
Anything with what?
Grapefruit.
Okay, the vitamin, man. Top vitamin, you know. Yeah, man. Especially red hot grapefruit, you know.
Cassava, certain things.
Yeah, man, cassava and top starch, you know, nice food, you know, make the dumpling and them something, you know, bami, you know.
Yeah.
The flour, you know. Make a red stripe beer, you know.
Trumpet leaf, a month, I'm saying.
Your medicine same way, man. The top medicine, you know. Every bush down here have medicine, but because sometimes we sell it to all because we don't know the name of it. Yeah.
And the
Almond seed.
almond seed.
Yeah, man, top something we blend at daytime, man. You blend up almond and peanut, man, and plant, man. You're strong like a lion at daytime, man.
Plantain, green or ripe?
Ripe one, man.
Ripe plantain.
Yeah, man.
With almond seed.
Yeah.
The white part of it.
Yeah, man.
Seed.
Yeah, man.
You can buy it in the bulk.
Yeah, man, buy it in fresh in the bulk.
And then you burn that with what else?
Anything you want to put with, man. Ice cream, carrot, anything you want to put with it, you know. Gone, magic.
Just the almond and the plantain.
Yeah, man.
Strong like a lion.
Yeah.
And the plantain make the back strong, you know, even with the pineapple juice.
Yeah, man. Bad, man. Bad. Very bad.
As I'm telling any man, say if you just, even the plantain raw, the green one, blend it.
Good for you,
Put
man.
some oats in it.
Lots of iron, man. Lots of iron. Good for female.
And even the banana too.
Yeah, man. Same iron. Yeah, man. Good for female.
Just you know, this is a good talk. Now cooking food and things. And your meats. When you season your thing, how you deal with that?
And that's all season me deal with, you know. Scallion pepper, onion and garlic, you know. And thyme, you know. Yeah, man. Coconut milk straight, you know.
Jamaica so nice. You know, the people that run down left this to right. They run down left.
The system, you know, the system make them have flash, you know.
They run down left Jamaica because everything you just said to me, you know, we understand, you know, I have to leave out of the place and the experience thing. But we have to create a balance now, meaning that
When you go, you come back, cause the only medication when you come back, that's how you get it to them. When you go Africa, you get the medication. And when you go Jamaica, you get the medication. You know?
So listen, my thing said we might have to go even, because the rate of death and high blood pressure, cancer, the people that when them go, them really work hard.
It's in the genes, man, for a long time, man. On the fourth parents, them And it come way down, come to this other generation, you know. So if this other generation that purge themselves and get themselves straightened up, they might go down the same way.
Yeah.
Because the genes is so strong. So we used to feed up on pure cane and pure starch. So we have a lot of sugar, we have a lot of starch to feed upon. So the baby come down with a whole of genes. The next baby come with the same thing, and now we come down with KFC, now we come down with Burger King, come with McDonald's now. So it's a pasta killer. Yeah. And nobody now cook and then something again. The quick meal, because it's so easy. You come from work and grab something at the KFC and you go home and you eat. But you know, healthy, you know.
The KFC and
McDonald's and then something.
Fish, you like? What kind of fish you like? Like what different kind of fish?
Yeah, man, we have food Jamaican fish here, you know. In the water, you know, man. Good old gadami, you know.
So there's a fish market around here in Negril.
Yeah, man. You're the baby, you know.
What's one of your favorite parish? You as a, when you travel to Jamaica and you see a parish and you say, yo, I made this.
Yeah, St. Anne's a very nice place, you know. Yeah, man, St. Anne's and St. Elizabeth a nice place, you know. Yeah, man. Anything you plant and gone, you know. Yeah, man, because dirt soft and red, you know.
Portland.
Well, Portland are different in that class again, you know. But you know, when you come on to nice view,
Portland.
yeah, man, St. Anne's and Portland, you know. Westmoreland, same way too, you know. Because the heights,
Yeah.
the mountain, them,
Yeah.
I mean, you get a good view down on the bottom, you know.
Yeah. Good job, true. So Mary, Castletown Gardens, going to mirror there. Yorktown.
Yeah, man, classic areas, man.
Yorktown and St. Catherine.
Yeah, St. Catherine inside that, coming up, all harbour.
Jamaica, this is Rhonda again. When I want to number, I have to come through me, because I travel, I spend my money, interview these people, I want to sit down and listen. Act like say, them things
yeah, man, them can get through, man, but they don't know, say, you have to find the man, because them things you have to free, you know, and don't have to sell, you know. Because natural Rasta always grow them things,
yeah.
God make them things upon earth for we. So I don't know if they sell, bush a go a while, just find way and come give you chicken money, man.
Yes.
We don't want no big pork money.
No, we don't eat pork.
That's all chicken money we want. And you know, mama chicken go for 2 years. Them chicken with their KFC now 6 weeks.
2 years, mama chicken. Everyone eat some of them chicken before we let it up.
Them there, man.
You're here with Rhonda Passenger with the Herbal Soldier.